How to change Instagram name without waiting 14 days. So in this video, step by step, I will show you how to do it. After you open your phone, go and open your Instagram app like this. After you open your Instagram like this, now open up your profile at bottom right side. After you open your profile, now tap on this. As you can see, now tap on your menu at the top right side. After you open this menu, now tap on this account center, this one. After you open this account center, all you have to do now, tap on this profiles, this one. After you open this profiles, now go and select your Instagram. Here is it. As you can see now, Instagram, tap on it. After you select the Instagram, all you have to do now, as you can see, tap on this name. Now tap on this name, as you can see. So after you tap on this name, as you can see now, here is the option. As you can see here, it says you can only change your name twice within 14 days. So if you change your name once, as you can see now, if you change it one, you can be able to change it, do it second times. But if you change it more than two, you can't change your name more than twice in 14 days. So now, as you can see now, if I tap on this section, as you can see now I can be able to change my name twice because I changed it only once within 14 days. So as Instagram said that you can only change your name twice within 14 days, there is no way for you to change your name without waiting for the 14 days. That's it, guys. You have to wait for the 14 days. Hope this information helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.